All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a mid taper. We're gonna start with our three. Our three is just gonna be basically our foundation, and we're gonna be flicking out. That way we don't leave like that undercut look. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna leave like some nice bulk and density, unless the client tells you like complete undercut. Just like that, then you can turn the clipper around. Kind of just cut with the grain. Now with your lever open, you're gonna set in, you could do a round guideline right here. Or you could do a triangle. It's really up to you. Like that, lever midway, you're gonna go up midway. Lever close, you attack this line right in the bottom. Now with your 1.5 guard, you're gonna create about another finger guideline, but flicking out. Notice how I'm flicking out the clipper. Same thing around the ear. A lot of beginner barbers forget about this part, and their tapers right here in the back look really like bulky. So look how nice and clean the guideline looks. Now with my lever midway, I'm gonna go up midway from both of these lines that we created. And notice how the fade is already looking blended out. Like that, you're gonna brush, always brushing, close the lever. You're gonna attack this bottom line. Open up the lever, you're gonna flake out this top line. Now with your clip over comb, you're just gonna connect the line here. Same thing around the ear right here. Bam, just like that. Same thing in the front, just how we focus in the back of the taper. You're gonna come with your guard and detail that front. First we do the middle, then the right, now the left side. Close the lever and attack it right in the bottom. And now with your number 1 open, you're just gonna come and flick out any dark spots that you see. This is just detailing, you know, this is not setting in no guideline. Right here, you're not, creating harsh guides. You're just gonna come and just detail, close the lever. Now you're gonna put your line in there, keeping everything natural and making it sharp. Look how good and sharp this looks now. You just gotta be patient and be really detailed. Same thing around the ear. Pull the ear down and you're just gonna go around. Just like that, and then you're gonna clean up all the hair in the bottom. Now with your razor, you're just gonna come and you're gonna razor the line up, starting from your A side, move to your B side, and then your C side is right here. I like to connect the middle up towards the end, So first I'll do this part, and then towards the middle, I'll just use the corner. And look how nicely that line will come and pop out. Same thing behind the ear. Just like that. Now to do the edge up, we're gonna follow just this line right here. Obviously it's gonna be just a slight little pushback. Because if we do it too low, the hair's gonna move around and he's not gonna have a crispy edge up. Even though he tries to brush the hair back down, it's just gonna be way too bulky. So this right here would be the perfect height for his lineup. Just like that.